Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss chapter 4, the internet web browser. So let's start. As we know, internet became a basic necessity of human being. Almost everywhere nowadays we are using internet facilities, whether it is school, office, railway station, airport, etc. Everywhere we are using internet facilities for our benefit. Okay, let me discuss first computer network. What is computer network? A computer network is a system. It's very important. A computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected using cable or wireless technology that can be Wi-Fi, router and all. Okay, to sending and receiving data for the purpose of communication. Using the network we can share the data to the other person and we can get the data from the other person. As you can see on the screen, in the first network all the system are connected with Wi and all are sending and receiving the data. Okay, as you can see on the screen. In the second picture you can see all the laptops are connected without wire. That means all the laptops are connected with Wi-Fi and they are sending and receiving data. Okay, so this is computer network. Now the advantage of computer networks are information can easily be shared by people. So here we have a bus tracking system. So with the help of network, school administrator and parents can track the exact location of a school bus. As you can see on the screen how information is passing through the network. Okay, passing through the network. Understood? So information can easily be shared by people. Second, it helps in staying updated with the events in and around the world. Now it is very easy to find what is happening in the world or in our country, and that is possible only with the help of network. Okay. Third, interaction among the people around the world becomes easy through chatting or video conferencing. It doesn't matter where the person is, we can easily interact with other person using some application like WhatsApp, Facebook and all. Okay, and we can make the call whether it is video call or audio call. Okay, even we can share photograph, video also to the other person. Understood? That's why today's interaction became very easy. Fourth, email allow us to send or receive message or letter easily. So earlier we used to send the letter with the help of post office, but now we are using less. Okay, instead of that today we are using electronic mail to send to the other person. Okay, then this is very easy also. Understood? Today we have seen computer networks and advantage of computer network. So children, what is computer network? So computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected using cable or wireless technology to sending and receiving data for communication. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.